Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Apple cider vinegar liver detox recipe samples. Our liver, and other body organs like the lungs and liver, is designed to eliminate toxins from the body. However, according to advocates of liver detoxification, toxic wastes can build up in the body, making it difficult for the liver to perform its function effectively. This is when liver cleansing becomes necessary. Liver detoxification can be done in several ways. There are liver detox supplements that are available in health stores, but if you do not want to take pills, an apple cider vinegar liver detox recipe may aid your body's natural detoxification process. Based on numerous studies, it is true that an apple a day will keep the doctor away. Apples are rich in vitamins and minerals from calcium to potassium. Apple cider vinegar is a tonic used since ancient times. It is known to aid in fat metabolism and digestion. It supports the function of the liver, kidneys and bladder. Apple cider vinegar can be easily made at home by crushing the apples, straining the pulp and fermenting the apple juice. Of course, you can also purchase apple cider vinegar from groceries, so you can easily get started with an apple cider vinegar liver detox recipe. Here is one recipe to make a detox tea with apple cider vinegar. Just add hot water to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and sweeten it with maple syrup or organic honey. Making this simple apple cider vinegar liver detox recipe will take only a few minutes with results lasting 3 to 7 days. A variation of the above apple cider vinegar liver detox recipe calls for a teaspoon each of apple cider vinegar and blackstrap molasses added to a glass of water or lemon water. Drink this mixture upon getting up in the morning. You can find an apple cider vinegar liver detox recipe to suit your taste from health books and websites. Follow the directions carefully in making and drinking the mixture. Usually, these detox recipes will require raw and non-pasteurized apple cider vinegar. It also varies when you need to take the mixture and how often. Drinking apple cider vinegar is just one way to help the liver and other body organs in cleansing the body. Ultimately, a successful detox plan requires changes in the diet and one's lifestyle, such as reducing the intake of alcohol or making exercise a regular practice. To learn more about apple cider vinegar, its benefits and other detox recipes using this ingredient, look for resources on natural remedies. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.